guys, back again, and today we have a 2019 MQ Triton, and we're going to be putting on one of our Transchill automatic transmission cooler kits on this. So this particular car already has one on it from factory. However, we're going to be putting an additional one on there because this particular guy is running bigger tires. He does a lot of sand work and stuff, so he's putting an extra load on the transmission. So we'll get stuck into it and we'll see how we go. There's a Transchill kit for the MQ Triton, and this is a 2019 model. You may have noticed or picked up in the video that we actually put a dual kit on this one, so when this video is done, there will also be a dual kit available, so TCD 629 for the MQ Triton as well. So all done and dusted, giving this guy a little bit of extra protection for his transmission when he's off-roading and with his big tyres on. So get out there guys, have a good one.